Jacket.
You got a jacket?
I got a jacket.
Now I'm not gonna get you back.
What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
Dude, check this out.
Dude, you really got her a train?
What is that?
She actually wanted, she was telling us she wanted a town that she could drive stuff.
What is that, Nana? Is that what you wanted?
You consult Amber when it comes to buying stuff.
That's gonna
'Cause honestly, she knows.
You know what this one does, though?
What?
It's a choo-choo train, but it's a table so that it doesn't take up your whole room. And you put your choo-choo train in the table, and then you can take your choo-choo train off of it and color on your table if you want. Weird pictures and stuff.
For your homework.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
But you gotta take care of it, right?
Okay. Look at this one.
That's for DJ Daddy.
It feels kind of light, though. Is there anything even in that?
I don't know.
I don't think you got a black light, though. I think that's something. Danny wrapped this one, so.
All right. Wrap it up good.
What is it, David?
We don't know yet. That's kind of light, so we know it's not. It's not. It's not. I don't think that's what it is. Open it up. See if there's something else in it. Yeah, open and see, because I don't think that's what it is.
Oh, she did the old put something in a different box.
Can I open this?
No.
I haven't seen someone do that.
What? Oh, there's your gift. There it is.
Whoopsie.
Oh my God! What? You don't have any hair to do that.
DJ.
Is there something you want to tell us?
Wow, David. I mean the purple.
Oh my
shirt.
God! No, it's got to be something else. Open that box. There has to be something else. There has to be in there. Oh my God! Apollo must have put that dirty sock in there. Oh, there it is.
Apollo.
Oh, man.
I don't know how much smaller the boxes can get.
A McDonald's!
What is it?
A McDonald's apple pie. How old is that?
I love it.
How freaking old? Oh, there's your present.
Wow, right down to the
Are you sure this time?
I don't know. What is it?
Maybe like a piece of cardboard. Like, whoops, I forgot to
Oh, I think it is a cardboard box.
Oh, that is so cute though. It's got an eagle on it.
You gotta say it's cute, man.
What's
Open it. Hurry. See.
I know, right? Let's see what you got.
Oh, shoot.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh, how much, David?
I don't know how much is it.
60.
I think I should.
$20 cards.
Well, no, this one, here, where is it? This is the actual gift card.
Coupon.
And then those are coupons if you use
Daddy, I should look.
10, or if you spend $30, which your gift card's 60. Okay, you get $10 off, so you get more.
Okay.
Okay.
Stuff in reality.
All right. No, Devin has one more.
Dude, you, I swear to God,
Last
I'm saying this, Amber should take you shopping to that store because then you're going to get like 50.
Here's the last one.
Okay, Devin's last present. What did you get?
Devin,
What did you get?
Devin. You sure you don't
Oh my God. What is
What
it?
is that?
What is it?
Oh. Devin, see?
We
Told you.
What is it?
Are you gonna hug her or what, man?
What is that? Oh my God, you got all those games.
Wow.
I think he has like 6 games, 2 movies. And then look at the whole time, you were sitting right on top of your cord.
I've seen that. See, that's why I put this in there.
Oh, and that one's for both you guys.
I want to.
No, you open it, baby.
Oh, look at the bell.
Yeah, isn't that sweet? Now, if you have any problems with it, let me know so I can take it
I
back.
get the pinks.
What's in here right now?
That's fine.
And then
All right, let me get you guys. Yeah, there's a movie in there right now. Let me get